I'm looking for a brand new start. I know I got some trouble getting over you. I think that I've played my part. I need to get away.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing a clean with me in my craft room. Now let me tell you, this was like one of the worst things, worst rooms, worst anything in my entire house. It was super overwhelming, but I feel like that I clean everywhere and everything and everybody else's stuff besides mine, so I just kind of let it go and then just make sure like the girls' rooms are clean, or like our living room or the cat box, or I don't know if I say cat box, but it's clean. But I never do the craft room. I never do any of my stuff. I'll do like my laundry last. Maybe it's a mom thing. But I was really excited for this company called Organizer Pro. I've been talking with them for like a month, and finally I've got my baskets. These are plant baskets or planter baskets, but I didn't use those because I will just kill a plant in 2 days anyways, and then I'll just leave a big giant mess. So I found some really nice ways to organize my crafts with them. One of them is kind of a mess, but it's like gonna be super convenient for me. So right now I'm doing spring and Easter DIYs on my channel, and this is what they look like. They're really big and nice size. They have like little handles on each side to hold them. So this looks like a giant mess right here, but like, let me tell you, this is gonna be like super nice and easy for me to collect all of this stuff I'm doing DIYs with. So that's why I have all this like random stuff in here. This is everything that I'm going to be using in the next couple weeks, and I wanted it all together instead of having to keep searching for stuff. I will tell you, my closet is not clean at all. I kind of just shoved a lot of stuff in there because I'm not going to be using it for quite a while. So anyways, this is what I felt like that was really necessary for me to have, is a basket that I'm going to be using all the time. So I have like moss in here, I have these little cones in here, eggs, all that sort of stuff, and then like all of my other like glue sticks and stuff are organized in another way. And then I got another one of these baskets, same size and everything. I thought this was a brilliant idea for myself. I had a ton of extra spray paint I had tossed all over. I had some in one corner, some in the other corner. It was like just, it was everywhere. So I put all of my extra spray paint in here in this basket, and this holds a lot. This holds 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and I bet I could fit like 2 more spray paint in here. So like 16 spray paints total. So I thought this was super cool, and like I said, it has handles, and it's really, really pretty and really, really cute. Okay, so I'm gonna show you my disaster craft room and show you how I cleaned it. I am not gonna go through every step of organizing just because I didn't completely organize it. I honestly just wanted everything picked up out of the room. So that's why you're not gonna see like all my organizing tips and tricks, because it's a closet right now. Those are my tips and tricks and hacks right at this moment. But hopefully down the road I have some time to get this like completely organized the way I wanted. I thought I did for a while, and then I completely didn't. But anyways, let's get started. Alright, so here is what the craft room looks like before. It is a complete mess, and I don't know what it was with my camera, but I was like moving all over the place, so sorry about that, but I don't know, that's just what you get from me, I guess, on this day. But I'm starting in little sections and just going around this whole room. I wanted to get this done in one day. It did actually take me 2, but I got these really cute jute baskets from Organizer Pro, like I showed you, and like I said, I will leave the links in the description box below. But I thought I would take one of these and put everything that I'm working on in one, so it was way easier to get to, and then I didn't start other projects until this basket was completely empty, so then I just can keep filling it with other things. So I really liked that idea, and it really, really helped to get a lot of stuff organized and clean. I have just a bunch of stuff in here because the kids like to play in here, or if I'm crafting, Presley has her whole little area that she can draw in, or so there's always like paper and just stuff laying all over. And here is a DIY that just didn't go right. I hated it. I did not like the way it looked, so I did not show that. And you've seen that I just keep piling stuff in, and I'm just trying to get by, you guys. I'm trying to get everything organized. I had these little marble bins I got off of the Holler website, and I've had these for a really long time, and they really work for some things, and then I overbuy actually, and then they are just super full. But anyways, I am just going to play some music and get you guys motivated to clean your own craft rooms, because by the comments on my other one that I showed how messy my craft room was, that you guys may want some motivation too, because there was probably about 100 other people that were with me in the craft room disaster, craft room table, craft room house mess. Anyways, here we go. Let's listen to some motivational good music.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss, still burning, didn't know I missed this passion in life, now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile, it's impossible, not melting, irresistible, when I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface, now I just can't get enough. I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface, now I just can't get enough. Everything behind, knowing there is more in life that I want. Now I wanna embrace life, you and I side by side, knowing there is more in life that I want.
Give me some directions to get to you. To get to you, ain't gonna waste my time. I know that we got connection, I think about you. You're on my mind, on my mind, on my mind. Yeah, I'm going out of my mind, out of my mind, out of my mind, yeah. For you, my love, you drive me crazy, tell me what to do, what to do. I'm on my knees, yeah, I am begging you, begging you. I'll break the rules if it will get me to, yeah.
Don't stop. So put your hands on me and turn me
me some directions to get to you. To get to you, ain't gonna waste my time. I know that we got connection. I think about you. For you, my love. You drive me crazy. Tell me what to do, what to do. I'm on my knees, yeah, I am begging you, begging you. I'll break the rules if it will get me to, yeah.
Giving you my heart. Now I know you didn't want it. Thought that we could work it out, but it's no use. I think I'm better off alone. Yeah, I'm feeling good without you. Now I don't want nothing to do with you. I tried to be perfect and keep you happy all the time, but I didn't know that you wanted somebody else. Now I don't want nothing to do with you. It's alright, it's okay. I don't need you anyway, so let me be. I'm doing fine. Don't you waste your precious time. I don't want you back. No, you'll hurt me bad. It's alright. Okay, it's alright. I did everything for you, even though you gave me nothing back. I guess that I wasn't enough this time. I tried to be perfect and keep you happy all the time, but I didn't know that you wanted somebody else. Now I don't want nothing to do with you. It's alright, it's okay.